Let's make 2-ingredient flax tortillas. These are so fluffy and soft and malleable, you won't believe that there's just 2 ingredients. So you're gonna start with 1 cup of golden flaxseed, and you're gonna add this to a blender and you're gonna blend it into a flour. Once this is done, you're gonna bring 1 cup to a boil, and then you're gonna add the flax meal to the water, and you're just gonna stir it until it becomes a dough. If you need a little bit more flax, you can just add 1 tablespoon at a time because you want it to be a firm dough, kind of like this. Now, you're gonna put this in between 2 sheets of parchment paper because it is quite sticky, so you don't want it to stick to your rolling pin. So you're gonna just roll it out into a large flat bread, and then this is when you're gonna start cutting out the circle shapes, and you can use the top of a pan or a pot. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. So once you have your tortillas, you start cooking them 2 to 3 minutes at a time until they're all nice and golden brown and the color you desire, and then you can use them for whatever you want, like a lunch wrap, and just look how they tear. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you're gonna try it.